Hi, Simon here, and yesterday I exposed a massive fake work from home jobs website called Jobtacular. And you know how it is with these things, like the more you dig, the more you find out, the worse and worse it gets. Exposing scams like this is like a constant game of whack-a-mole. As soon as you expose one scam, another one just pops up in its place. Just today even, I came across another scam site called Remote Job Recruiting, which oddly enough looks exactly the same as Jobtacular. Logo is the same, the layout is the same, the images exactly the same. So let me quickly explain how these scam sites work and give you 5 legit sites where you can actually find legitimate work from home jobs. So why don't I just use Remote Job Recruiting as an example? But all of the fake, work from home job scam sites work exactly the same way. So in the case of Remote Job Recruiting, they have set up like profiles on social media sites like X and Instagram and TikTok, and they'll even post fake job listings on legitimate sites, legitimate job websites as well. But all of these stuff is directing you to get onto the Remote Job Recruiting website. Once you're there, they're going to try and sell you on another scam called Social Sale Rep that you have to pay for. And once you buy into that, then you're going to have to pay out for paid social media jobs, write out reviews, click on. There's all of these scams here which are all promising high paying writing jobs and $175 an hour for liking Facebook posts, that kind of thing. But unfortunately none of these jobs ever materialize because in fact they have 0 job listings available. They don't even have any jobs. It's all just cleverly designed to suck you deeper and deeper into paying out more and more and bleeding you dry. So definitely steer clear of fake job sites like Jobtacular and Remote Job Recruiting. And if you're looking for legitimate work from home job websites, here are a few great options. You've got Flex Jobs, which specializes in remote, part-time, freelance and flexible jobs. I've used that myself, it's great. Indeed is a very popular job site with a massive number of remote job listings, so if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. Arc is ideal if you're into programming, coding or web development, that kind of thing. Those are the types of jobs they have on there. LinkedIn Jobs, everyone's heard of LinkedIn. They're a reputable site where you can find work from home jobs. And finally, last but not least, ZipRecruiter offers a wide range of remote job opportunities. So I will drop the links to all of these legitimate work from home jobs in the description, so check them out. Or if you're ready to move beyond trading your time for money and you want to build an online business that's going to generate passive income for you, then Wealthy Affiliate is the way to go. I joined Wealthy Affiliate 10 years ago now, and honestly it was one of the best decisions I ever made. They walked me through how to start a business that gave me real time and location freedom. So click that first link in the description and test drive Wealthy Affiliate, and you're going to get step-by-step training, cutting-edge AI tools, and all the support you need to aim for 10K a month online or more. So there you go. Whether you're looking to make a bit of extra cash on the side or you're looking to build an online business to replace your full-time income, now we know exactly where to start.
Thank you.
Please don't mention it. I'm happy to help.